question is from GATE 2016, Mechanical Engineering, Set 2, question number 25. In an ultrasonic machining USM process, the removal rate MRR is plotted as a function of feed force of the USM tool. With increasing feed force, the MRR exhibits the following behavior. Let's see. So the relationship between feed force and material removal rate can be sketched out on the graph like this. On x-axis we have feed force and on y-axis we have material removal rate. And the nature of this graph between these two quantities is this. So we can see that for initial values of feed force up to this value, there is an increase in the material removal rate as the feed force increases. So we can write that as the feed force increases, material removal rate for the ultrasonic machining tool increases initially till the feed force reaches a critical value. And post this value of feed force, we see that material removal rate is decreasing. So this is kind of intuitive that whenever feed force increase, material removal rate increase. It should increase, of course. But why is this trend seen here? This is because the abrasive grains that are causing the material removal, they get crushed due to the heavy load. And this will slow down the removal further. So we can write past which, that means past the critical value, it decreases. That is, the material removal rate decreases because the abrasive grains responsible for the material removal get crushed due to the heavy load. And this slows down the material removal. So initially increases and then decreases. Let's go back and mark the correct option. We can see our answer is given in option D, the last one. First increases and then decreases. To learn more about ultrasonic machining, you can refer to the NPTEL video lecture 36, ultrasonic machining. It's from the course lecture series on manufacturing processes 2. The course is by Professor A.B. Chattopadhyay, Professor A.K. Chattopadhyay and Professor S. Paul. They are from Department of Mechanical Engineering of IIT Kharagpur. I hope this explanation will help you clear your doubt. Thank you.